For somebody who teaches in the humanities and social sciences, it's very hard to make the distinction between research and teaching. And so the involvement of students in my research and the involvement of my research with my students, I think, are very much connected. Partly because, this isn't the kind of enterprise, the kind of intellectual and academic enterprise that operates on the basis of talking heads. I'm not communicating information. We're trying to figure out and grapple with problems, and we're actually trying to formulate what the nature of the problem is. Sometimes we have a text or an image or whatever, and we're trying to say, well, what's going on here? And it can't be done on an individual basis, and it can't be done as if, and it can't be communicated as if with a microphone. It really has to be a collaborative effort. One of the interesting things that all these various mediatic developments over the past century have done is allowed us to think about different ways of relating things, right? What it is that it means to think in terms of superimposition, what it means to think in terms of juxtaposition, and especially what it means to think in terms of relating things that have nothing in common, right? And from these kinds of aesthetic and cultural questions, I make the leap to politics, because, one of the curious things about democratic societies is that, people cohabitate and share spaces, and they don't necessarily have anything in common with one another, right? This is what has always been one of the mantras of multiculturalism.